It's always nice to come back, but ultimately we're here for business. You know, for me, we can enjoy it afterwards. The aim is to try and collect 3 points. We know that's not going to be easy because we expect there to be a very sort of hostile environment. The Kenyan supporters will come out in their tens of thousands to support the Harambee Stars. We've seen that through the Chan tournament. You know, very well supported games here at Kasarani. Obviously, Kasarani holds lots of good memories for me. I think my own last 2 games here were trophy winning games in terms of the Charity Shield and the final of the league a couple of years ago. So, but all of that doesn't count for anything. We've got to go on and put a performance and look to try and win the game.
It's feeling good to be in Kenya, although I've never been here, but I like the environment and we are here to win the game. Although it's going to be a difficult one because they have the home advantage and they are playing in their ground. So it's not going to be an easy game though.